further ado, we'd like to welcome Mr. Vikram Hazra, an urbane philosopher, a noted apex trainer, and an astounding musician who has rocked Russia, rocked Europe, and tonight he shall rock Jakarta! With that kind of flag, I don't think he'll play. He shall rock Jakarta!
Hello, Jakarta.
Hello.
Hey, Guruji. Where's my popcorn? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chant a few shlokas or verses in Sanskrit. And they're basically just to create an auspicious aura for the evening's interaction. And as I sing, I will explain some of the music that I'm sharing with you. It might seem funny to you. I have to do as much of explanation of this music back home in India as I have to do abroad. Because there are several dialects, several languages in remote corners of the villages of India, which unfortunately are dying or not studied anymore. And there's beautiful philosophy, beautiful stories, beautiful poetry in each of these languages. I've learned a few of them, and even in those particular states or provinces of India, when I sing them, the local people don't understand what I'm saying. They're like, how come you know this stuff? And I'm like, how come you guys don't know this stuff? Isn't it? So, some of it I'll explain, and some of it I would really prefer if you just put your trust in the infinite and pretend that you understand every single word that I'm singing. Would you be able to do that, do you think? Yes? No? Can I have a big hand for my wonderful musicians, Ajay and Nico? वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे A musician whom Mizo and I were very, very fond of, and still are obviously, passed on a few months ago. His name is J.J. Cale. And we thought as a tribute to him, we'd do this very old, very simple, very traditional bhajan, which fits completely into one of his rock and roll groups. So let's see how that works out for you. I'd like you to try and clap along with us and sing along with us as far as possible. Yeah? If you don't understand the words, just sing something. That's a secret, okay? राजा और माखन चोरा. But I can't hear you. यशोदा मैया ग्वाल राजा और माखन चोरा. गोपी जन वल्लभ ब्रिज के लाल नारायण गोपाल. नारायण गोपाल गाओ नारायण गोपाल. नारायण गोपाल गाओ नारायण गोपाल. ओ मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गोपाल. हे मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गोपाल. मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गाओ नारायण गोपाल. गाओ नारायण गोपाल. Let's try it again. Okay, you're clapping together. Sure, yeah. Thank you. And audience level sound needs to go up a little bit. 3, 4. यशोदा मैया की आंखों का तारा. Yeah, यशोदा मैया की आंखों का तारा. यशोदा मैया की आंखों का तारा. ग्वाल राजा और माखन चोरा. हो ग्वाल राजा और माखन चोरा. गोपी जन वल्लभ ब्रिज के लाल नारायण गोपाल. नारायण गोपाल गाओ नारायण गोपाल. नारायण गोपाल गाओ नारायण गोपाल. हे मुकुंद माधव मुकुंद माधव मुकुंद माधव मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गोपाल. मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गोपाल. नारायण गोपाल. नारायण गोपाल गाओ नारायण गोपाल. नारायण गोपाल गाओ नारायण गोपाल. हे नारायण गोपाल गाओ नारायण गोपाल. नारायण गोपाल.
नारायण गोपाल.
नारायण गोपाल.
नारायण
गाओ नारायण गोपाल. गाओ नारायण गोपाल. गाओ नारायण गोपाल. Thank you.